By 2030, the price of Polkadot DAB is likely to be between 23.26 and 43.94. Analysts of the market think that spot will reach 18.9 cents in 2025. The cost of the negative Polkadot market is expected to be $4.14 in 2023. The display of Polkadots, a convention called Polkadot interfaces blockchains, makes it possible for companies like Ethereum and Bitcoin to trade money and information with each other. The system is also designed to be flexible and quick. Digital currency can be sold or bought on Coinbase and other exchange platforms, and it is used for marketing and management. If you want to invest in Polkadot, the tips below could help you. Polkadot spec is like other cryptographic types of money that came after Bitcoin. Polkadot is a decentralized convention and a sign that can be traded or bought on exchanges like Coinbase. The Polkadot conventions are meant to securely connect disconnected blockchains so that information or value can move between, say, the Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains without the need for a delegate. They do this by using multiple identical blockchains, called parachains, which are used to take some of the processing load off of the main blockchain. It is also meant to be fast and flexible within the Polkadot organization. The Polkadot token standard is mostly used by two types of people. Most of the time, administration tokens give owners a say in how meetings are run. However, they are also used to stake, which is how the Polkadot network keeps track of exchanges and makes another space on exchanges like Coinbase. You can trade options as part of your growth plan by using the RSI moving weighted normal MWA general strength list, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness mapped from the graph above. We can figure out cost designs for Polkadot spot to decide if we're going to have a positive or negative year. Use steady Polkadot spot. All of the market information and all other information on our site are updated in real time. How much a Polkadot spot will be worth in 2023? From some points of view, Polkadot is one of the most interesting digital forms of money to rise this year. The speculative cost estimate for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, maybe up to 7.75. Like other digital forms of money, the price will continue to rise, but no big drops are expected. Costing an average of 7.24 cents is quite ambitious. But it should be possible sooner rather than later if everyone works together and technology keeps getting better. Polkadot spec value expectation 2024 out of 2024 slot is expected to have a starting value of $6.20. Polkadot spot price expectation has a lot of room for growth because of the expected. Due to the announcements of several new companies and projects, we think the price of spec will soon go above $12.92. However, we should wait to see if the spec's general strength file comes out of the oversold zone before taking any bullish positions. Based on the unpredictability of the market, bets say that DAB will trade with a base exchange price of 10.34 cents and an average exchange price of 11.37. Polkadot spot value estimate for 2025, if the vertical pattern continues until 2025. It could hit 18.09, and if the market goes down, DAB could make money. If the market goes down, the goal might not be reached. In 2025, DAB is predicted to have a normal price of 16.54 and a low price of 15.51. Polkadot spec value forecast 2026. If Polkadot does a good job of supporting market opinion among people who like digital money, the price of DAB coins could stay the same for the next 5 years, according to our predictions. In 2026, the DAB is expected to be higher than it was in its most peaceful time. In 2026, the value of virtual money will be $23.26. The starting price will be $20.68. And the average price will be $21.71. Polkadot DAB value prediction 2027. Based on a lot of data and expert research, we think that the spot price will reach a regular value level of 26.88 by 2027. With a base price of 25.84 cents expected before the end of the year. The highest value for DAB is 28.43. 2028 Polkadot spec value projection. Because of events that are likely to happen by 2028, we expect a bullish pattern to get stronger, bringing the average price to around $32.05. If spec finds out in 2028 how to break the safe level, the most it could cost would be 33.60. If DAB doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, it could have to pay a minimum of $31. Polkadot spec value prediction. 2029 Spot is trying to get businesses to work together more quickly by encouraging interoperability. However, the bullish trend from the past is likely to continue, so the basic exchange cost has been set at 36.18, with an annual cost of close to 38.77 in 2029. Polkadot will finally beat its old prices and set new ones? The price could start at $41.35, and it could go as high as $43.94, with an average of $42.38. Polkadot DAB value forecast for 2031. The digital money market is known to be very unsteady, which is one of many reasons why it's hard to figure out how much something will cost. We do our best to predict how much things will cost in the future. But you shouldn't take all of our predictions as money, and you should do your own study in 2031. We think that digital cash will be used in many places by 2031, so the most expensive DAB price will be Polkadot will help build more specific chains, which will lead to the creation of a convincing organization, since no perfect blockchain can support all movements and the crypto money sector. It will do this by letting many chains work together on a single organization and by helping to solve the current flexibility and interoperability problems that come with using cryptographic forms of money. Because crypto experts made Polk, you should believe in its real promise. How much does Polkadot cost today? Polkadot Spot is trading at $5.17 and has a market value of $6,434,144,694, which means it is a good bet. Polkadot was one of the most talked about coins in the crypto world last year. So it's safe to say that Spot is a good way to speculate. How far up could Polkadot go? Polkadot DAB is projected to cost 7.24 cents this year. Over the next 5 years, Polkadot will make 33.60 cents more than DAB. How much will Polkadot be worth in 5 years? Given that cryptographic money is becoming more famous and Polkadot has been interested in DAB